Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about Instagram's new app, which is called Edit for video editing. So it's very much simple and easy to use. Launch your app like this. When you launch your app, they have a lot of options here. So here you can see the stickers and the reels and the audios you've saved. If you want to use them here, you're going to get inspiration where you see the video button there. Now let's tap on the middle button there. And now let's try to create something and edit something in the tutorial. So all we need to do is tap on the gallery and then we select something from our gallery, something like that. So here our gallery needs to pop up the things in our gallery. So I'm not going to choose anything from here. I already have this video. I want to work on it in this video. So good. So this looks like CapCut. If you use CapCut, you can use this. So they were saying you need to be editing your stuff with this app if you want to get viral videos on IG. So if you use CapCut, you can use this as well. So it's simple and easy. If you want to add an audio, you can tap on the add audio there, or you can tap on the add audio here, tap on it like this. Let me pause. Good. So the audio plays and you tap on the button there to add it to your video. So it's going to take time to load and it's been added. Sorry, so I added. I didn't want to play it. So if you want to delete your audio too, you tap on that audio and then you tap on delete and then you remove the audio, something like that. If you want to add a text too, you tap on the text there and you can see text there. You can type. Let me tap something here. Let me tap here and then let me type something there. So type something. And now let me come back and you can see type something there. I typed some there. So I can drag it if I wanted to cover a lot of places. Let me come back here and then I can, pull it here and make it smaller. So I need to delete that too. I need to delete that. So I tap on that and delete it. The audio too, I needed to delete the audio. Now the audio too is deleted. So you can add captions, auto captions on CapCut. You tap on this here. It's going to generate itself just like CapCut does, and it's going to add captions to your video. So now let me cancel that. You get to know that too. And you can add a voice, which is like a voiceover. When you tap on that and you tap on the red, you record yourself. Yeah. And overlays and sound effects, a lot. So the sound effects comes with, action, comedy, blah, blah, blah. Just like the same thing. You tap on that and you add it. And now if you want to edit the exact video, like cutting and doing the rest of stuff, you tap on the video like this. You're going to get this option. So now you can split. So let's say I want to split this side of the video. So I drag it to the side I want to split and I tap on the split there. And I'll come here to select the splitted part. You can see I can change the speed of the splitted part to something like this. You get it. I can change the speed and everything. When I make it slow, the video is going to be longer. If I make it normal, it's going to be at the normal side or the normal size. So it's very much simple when it comes to the speed. Let me cancel that. And then selected parts, you can do a lot. You can restyle the selected parts. You can change the volume of that part. If you don't want anything to be, you don't want any sound on that part, you can do that. And adjusting to, you can change the brightness and everything of that part, selected part, the construct and everything like that. It's very, very simple. You can add filters to the selected parts. You get it. So I need to pause the video. I don't want it to play. So where was I? I was at filter. Still going to play. So you're going to get a lot of filter options you can use. And green screen is if you want your face to appear in the video. So let's say this video is for someone, and then I want to talk about the video while the video is playing. So you tap on the green screen, your camera is going to pop up, something like that. And the effects too is the same thing. You can add effects to the selected places too. You see this and this. You can add effects too as well. And you can do a lot. You can enhance your voice with CapCut. So I think all these features on CapCut are premium version or are premium, but on here you can get it for free. You can extract audio too from this side. So if you want to remove the audio from this side, you can do that. When you tap on that, it's going to take time and then it's going to, extract the audio from there. If you want to, split your video into two, it's going to do that as well. It's simple and easy on how to use this. Now let me revert every action I did. So we have the video like this. So now I select my whole video like this and I can do everything to it. So I think I walked you guys through the selected one, but then when you tap on the whole video, you get all these things too. Yeah. So after this, if you want to, export your video, let me come back like this. And let me drag this here. You can choose the pixels you want to export your video. So you can see currently it's at 2K. So you can move it to 4K. You get it? So when it's 4K, you have only 30 seconds, I guess. But then when it's 2K, you have up to 60 seconds, something like that. So now let me move it to 2K. HD and 2K is okay if you're posting it on IG. And then you tap on the export here. So I tap on the export there, and it's going to load. Yes, so it's going to load. It's going to take time to load. When it's full, your video will be exported. When you check your gallery and it's not exported, you can come back to this page. There'll be a download button here. You tap on the download button. So that's it on how to use the Instagram Edit app for your video editing. So if you are an influencer on IG, you need to be using it because they are saying when you edit your videos with it and you post it on IG, they are going to know, and the video is going to get a lot of impressions. A lot of people are going to see the video. So if you want to reach out to a lot of people, you need to start using it. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'm not going to wait for the video to export. So I think at the export, you can download it and use your video. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.